Welcome to Engine Explorer today. We're stepping into something that doesn't just blur the line between truck and home, it completely destroys it. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's a 605 horsepower rolling titan that could tow your entire house and still have power to spare. But this time, Kenworth didn't build it for freight. They built it for freedom. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the Cummins X15 engine. 605 HP, 2,050 pounds. 650 pounds FT of torque and mated to an 18-speed automatic transmission. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a highway-dominating powerhouse with a 6x4 drivetrain rated to tow up to 30,000 pounds. That's more than most pickup trucks could even dream of. But here's the twist. Inside this monster is a king-sized luxury suite that rivals most apartments. We're talking a California king bed, full walk-in spa-style shower, high-end leather seating, and a 55-inch 4K smart TV with full surround sound. And yes, all of it is controlled through a custom HVAC. Lighting, blinds, even the entertainment system. It's part Kenworth, part tech lab, and all comfort. Step into the cockpit and you'll see why truckers and travelers are obsessing over this rig. The dashboard is fully digital with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, real-time diagnostics, and even heads-up display. The seats, air ride, heated, ventilated, and fully reclinable. Honestly, the captain's chair feels like it belongs on a private jet. But let's talk design. The exterior still wears that iconic Kenworth face, but the T2000 RV has been stretched, widened, and refined to look more premium than presidential. Chrome finishes, aerodynamic lines, high-end composite panels, and custom full-length slide-outs make it look like something out of a futuristic trucking dream. Now here's where it gets even crazier. The rear garage can store an electric motorcycle or a TV with charging ports and tool storage. This thing's not just a motorhome. It's a base camp on wheels, and with a price tag starting around $350,000. This isn't a toy, it's a lifestyle investment for road kings, off-grid dreamers, and digital nomads who refuse to compromise on comfort, space, or raw power. So, is the 2026 Kenworth T2000 the most powerful motorhome in America? Absolutely. It doesn't just get you there, owns the road on the way. Thanks for riding with us here at Engine Explorer. Hit that like button if you've got RV fever, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic machines, bold designs, and first look tours that push limits. Until next time, keep the engines hot and the wheels rolling.